Welcome to the new weekly Harmonic scanner analysis. In this week there was no bad patterns, bearish or bullish movement with Harmonic scanner on the 4-hour time frame and the daily time frame that are worthy of trading because they have not gone through the filter I am currently using, and that means first of all the filter, that is using the filter that's saying is it the pattern in line with the trend, and also the technical analysis, which is support and the resistance levels. First of all, for example, I would like to take this example for the bullish bad pattern that has been formed in this indecision range area of the market for the US dollar against ACJD, which means we can see that the bullish pattern has been formed in this small uptrend channel and then returning back down, which means there is no clear uptrend suggesting further rise in value, which means this bullish pattern is suggesting that the price could again return back up. For now, I have not made any technical analysis for the support and the resistance levels because this pattern is not in line with the trend. So I skip this one and follow the other ones. I have checked also these ones that are currently here inside notification tab, which means this is notification list with a table that has been sent to the Telegram. So if you pick these symbols and also one of these rows, click on them, it will be immediately open the chart where you can make the analysis for that symbol. The details about this symbol, which means it is a GBP against ACJD, which means we have a bearish bad pattern that has been formed on the 4-hour time frame. 240 is the number of minutes, and we have here the details about this bearish bad pattern. And we can see the blue line is the entry level, the stop loss is red, and the take profit 1, take profit 2 are the green lines. Then inside this notification you can also pick here which time frame you would like to follow and which pattern. I have selected only bad pattern on the 4-hour time frame and the daily, 4-hour time frame and the daily because they are more reliable and give me more space and time to trade during the day. If you would like to receive these smaller time frames, which means you will receive much more of these symbols during the day notification on the Telegram, feel free to check these also. If you are trading other patterns, not only bad, feel free also to select one of these. Inside the watch list you select which symbols you would like to follow. Here you have an empty field where you can add a new symbol which is not under the Forex Major and Forex Minor. Here you have a monitor where you can see the chart and the table. The table below is populated with the data that you select and define here. Inside the settings, you define the time frame, you define the status, complete, incomplete, or mature. Feel free to check my YouTube channel where you have an explanation of these options. Then you have the time frame, you have the asset class, and you have the pattern. And when you select one of these, this table will populate with the data which is currently available. So when the data is populated, you have here the security. Do not forget that you can also pick which symbols you would like to have. I have selected all of them. They are populated here inside the table, where the table has the column with a symbol, bullish or bearish pattern. The green line is for the bulls, the red is for the bears. Then you have here the pattern, the time frame, the status, the date, and reward to risk. The date is the time when this pattern has been formed. Inside the status you have a failed, which means the price has touched the stop loss. Then you have a successful, which means the price has touched the take profit 2 before touching the stop loss. Then you have here a complete, just a minute to find them, which means they are still available for trading. Let me find more of them, just a minute. Complete. Okay, they are currently not available. There is none of them currently active on the market that is still complete. Well, it's possible. It's pretty strange. Well, there is no symbols currently available on the market that is complete, which means they are all closed, touching the stop loss or take profit level. And inside the chart, you can also make the analysis. Here are the tools that you can make the analysis if you are doing any kind of analysis, and you have here indicators that you can add to make your analysis much more reliable if that is something that you are using. Also, there is a free Telegram that you can also join. Feel free to check the link and join with other traders to receive the updates and ask any questions if you would like to have them. And regarding the next week, this time is the holiday season, so the market will open on a Tuesday. Until then, you can also make the analysis here with Harmonic Scanner. You remember that there is also a free trial that you can use for 7 days to test this one, how it looks. And remember that you can also put notification on your Telegram, on your mobile phone, to receive these updates, where you receive a link with these details, so you can also check which symbol has been detected and also which pattern has been detected on which time frame to make the analysis. That's all for this week. See you next time, and happy trading.